Sometimes you just gotta get up, off the toilet, hop right in the shower.
I mean,
give this video a thumbs up if you've done that.
I mean, that's real talk. I think right now you're going real talk, dude.
I mean, are we not gonna talk about real shit right now?
Hey guys, so today we're talking about Dollar Shave Club's shit, shower, and shave kit.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gent. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that now. We are trying to make it to 100K. But today we are talking about something that every man does, and that is shit, shower, and shave. Even I shave, yes guys. But today we have this trial kit from Dollar Shave Club, which is today's video sponsor. We've worked with them in the past. They are an amazing company to work with. If you don't know about Dollar Shave Club, you should, and we're gonna tell you about it right now. If you do, you already know what we're talking about, so stick around and finish this video. If you guys aren't signed up for Dollar Shave Club yet, you need to listen to this right now because they are offering their shit, shower, and shave kit for only $5, free shipping, but we're gonna open the box up right now, so check this out. All right guys, so this is the kit. I'm gonna open it up right now for you. So what you get in the shit, shower, and shave kit, so we're not lying, we're not saying this is what it's called for real. So you're getting their executive razor, 4 razors, these 1-wipe Charlies, which are, you know, some nice hefty baby wipes for those intimate experiences with the toilet right there. You're getting the shave butter, which is to keep your face nice and buttery, silky smooth when you're shaving. And then you're getting the amber and lavender body cleanser, which we've done a review on this stuff before and it smells amazing. So this is all $5. You get to try it, and then afterwards, if you are going to sign up for month to month, you need more razors, you need more body wash, it's only a few bucks a month after that. And what we really love about Dollar Shave Club is the fact that we don't need to go to the store anymore.
Yes, you're getting your bathroom essentials all in one.
You probably don't have this problem anywhere else unless you're in New York or LA, but in LA, like, it is stressful to go to Target or a grocery store and pick up bathroom essentials. 1, there's never any parking anywhere.
Oh gosh. 2,
there's traffic everywhere.
Yes.
3, there's a billion choices in the aisle and they all look the same, they're all different prices. You really have no information other than, does the bottle look cool and does it smell good?
Yes. So George doesn't know it, like I know it. I have to go get razors 2 or 3 times a month. There's so many options. There's like 6 razors, 5 razors, 4 razors. And then the guy working there has no clue about razors. I mean, half the time he's like in high school and he doesn't even shave himself.
Yes.
So dude, it could be just a hassle.
Yes, the one thing about Dollar Shave Club, which is awesome, and I know you hear it everywhere else on, you know, they cut out the middleman, but they actually do cut out the middleman, so they can put that extra money, they can keep the costs down, make great quality products, and make them affordable, which if you're at Target and you're buying the budget shower gel, trust me, they are not cutting out any middleman. And you're not getting quality stuff.
I mean, guys, if you could really feel the weight on this bad boy, like this feels like...
Hold that up, show them.
This feels like a razor that you would get at your Target or your Walgreens or whatever for 20, 30 bucks. And here, it's $5 the first month, $9 after that.
Right, you get the handle for free, you get 4 cartridges.
This has weight. It has weight on it, dude. I'm not lying, I feel like I'm lifting.
You get a workout right now? Yeah, Blake's been working out if you can't tell. But I mean, for me, 4 cartridges is gonna last me a lot longer than it's gonna last Blake because I don't really trim that much. I trim just this area.
He trims other places.
Other places, I guess, yes, that's in the shower version of this story.
Yes.
But anyways, if you don't know about Dollar Shave Club, they do facial cleanser, bar soap, body wash, shampoo and conditioner. They have everything you need for your grooming, and I'm pretty sure they even do hair product. So you never have to go to the store again. It's all shipped to your door every month. All right guys, I know we touched on it a little bit, but I really want to talk about these 1-wipe Charlies. Now, I don't know how familiar you are with using baby wipes in the bathroom, but it's become a thing, you know, especially if you're in a relationship because, you know, they're already there because your fiance has them or your fiance, which is why I have them now. But if you're dating, you don't really want to have a box of baby wipes in your bathroom if you're a bachelor and you're a man. So, you know, these things, they look manly, they look great, and they do the job. Yes. You know, they're thicker, they have a nice peppermint scent. It's not like fresh wiped baby, which, you know, we all know what that smells like. Yeah. So this is a more manly scent. It gets the job done, leaves you feeling refreshed and, you know.
Still masculine.
Yes, exactly. We all have some extra bits of hair down there where some things can get caught up, and we could all use the wipe for sure. Don't deny yourself the little extra luxury. It is worth it. It's so much nicer. I mean, there have been days where I would just have to shower after I went to the bathroom.
Yeah.
You know, like
I know.
it's like it's not even worth it to start trying to wipe. If I didn't have these, you know. I'm just saying. Yeah. Sometimes you just got to get up off the toilet, hop right in the shower. I mean, give this video a thumbs up if you've done that.
I mean, that's real talk. I think right now you're going real talk, dude.
I mean, are we not going to talk about real shit right now? Shit, shower, and shave.
Or you know, how about those times where you take a shower and then you have to use the restroom after that, and then you feel like you have to jump back in the shower.
Yep.
All that is out the door, guys.
One wipe Charlie's. So guys, right now, if you haven't signed up yet, sign up. We have a special link down below for you guys to get $5 off. It's dollarshaveclub.com/gentslounge. Check it out. If you guys support Dollar Shave Club through us, it really helps us keep this channel running, helps us keep putting out videos for you, and we really appreciate the support. So, you know, if you guys need some shit shower and shave kits, pick them up, use our link. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. We are trying to get to 100K.
We're almost there.
Get us that play button on that wall right there. Yeah, like us on Instagram at GentsLounge, hashtag your pictures, hashtag GentsLounge, and we will see you next time.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys.